Hello, welcome to Theosophy in Wales. I'm Dave Marsland. Will life-threatening global problems replace war? Well, organised conflict, war, goes back a long way. It's part of our history, in fact an integral part of our history and part of our evolution. Tribal hunter-gatherers needed to control sufficient land to support their tribe, and this inevitably led to conflict with other tribes, and that's the origin of war. We moved on technologically to agriculture and civilization. We brought war with us, and the conflicts then became over territory and resources. Also religious and ideological wars crept into the frame as well. Now, war has come with us into modern times. We haven't moved beyond it, but now it is supported by a massive worldwide industry, and some of the best brains on the planet are serving a military agenda. Also, war as a side product, war has brought about a number of innovations. The internet, rockets that have been to the moon and launched satellites, microwave ovens, and originally computers began during World War II. So it has brought some technological innovations, mainly because some of the top people in the business have been employed on the military agenda, and there have been spin-offs. However, it's still a military agenda. Now, as a theosophist, I believe that care of the planet is part of our evolution. The evolution of the planet and our evolution are inseparable. Also, I believe that part of our evolution is to leave war behind. It should by now have become obsolete, but it's still with us. Now, some time ago, the American President, Ronald Reagan, he said that if we were threatened with an alien invasion, we would soon settle our differences and work together. Now, we're threatened with a common enemy in the form of life-threatening global problems, environmental problems. And although this is not an alien threat, it does threaten the existence of the whole of humanity, our ability to live on the planet. Now, can we work together? Well, the first thing is we tend to wait until disaster stares us in the face before we do anything, but eventually we do something. But one advantage we do have now is that we have global communication. So all the best brains on the planet can be linked up, and it's much easier for groups to work together. If somebody has an idea, it can be around the world, someone can improve on it or comment on it, and it doesn't matter where you are on the planet now, you probably can work with somebody. Now, the groups currently competing against each other on military technology could in future be working together on advances to save the planet, or ensure that the planet can support its ecosystem. Unfortunately, this, I think, is going to be a very difficult transition. But I think if humanity is going to survive, it will have to come, hopefully sooner rather than later.